Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, July 24th, and I'm going to be analyzing Bitcoin starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on Bitcoin, I'm definitely still looking at this as most likely a 1, 2, 3. I think this is likely a wave 4, and we're likely to go back up for a wave 5 to finish off this trend. I think at this point it probably is going to go up and make new all-time highs by the looks of it. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, definitely looks like the end of a wave 4. I see a nice 1, 2, 3 pattern to the downside. I see a nice Fibonacci bounce, a nice big engulfing move to the upside. I think if this really is a wave 5, then it should continue to make higher highs, higher lows on these very high time frames. Going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I wouldn't be surprised if we did make a pullback because I do see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves up. It could be like a wave 1 of wave 5 and then maybe go down, break structure for like a wave 2, and then eventually go back up for the wave 3. Because a wave 5 should have subdivisions. It should have like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave 5. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I mean, there's always a chance this could just keep trending up, especially because we definitely do not have a breaker structure to the downside. But I would definitely lean more towards the idea of this being a wave A, this move up being a wave B, and most likely it will turn back down, break structure to the downside for a wave C, probably trapping a lot of people in their buys, because then when they see that, they'll probably exit their buys, and then trapping people in their shorts, because when they see a breaker structure, they'll probably go short. Then it probably will just continue the uptrend for a big old wave 3. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame, I would definitely be watching this move up right here. To me, this move up is very likely a correction to this move down. You could even put your Fibonacci retracement on here and look for, 3 waves up, Fibonacci bounce. If you do see a nice break of structure to the downside, I definitely would take it as a short. I think this is likely a wave A, I think this is likely a wave B, and I think it's likely to go down for a wave C. If you do not see this break of structure, then I probably wouldn't go short because there's always a chance that it does just keep on drifting up. Sometimes what you think is a wave B will actually be the continuation of the uptrend. So depending on what time frames you trade, if you are like a scalper, I would continue to look for longs. If you're more of a day or swing trader, I would probably be keeping an eye out for the end of a correction, for the end of a wave B to go short for the wave C. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.